take on conditional formatting, which oftentimes is a good way to just look at patterns from which you can glean certain insights. So in this case, we've got different types of grapes, their tannin levels, acidity, alcohol, body, fruit flavoring, and so on and so forth. So we'll try and convert these numbers into a conditional format. So what I'm doing is I'm simply going to copy that, and if I want to just automatically reach right to the bottom, I'll do on a Mac, I'll do Command Shift and the down key, and I've got all the data in there. Once I have that, then I can go and I can look at some way to conditionally format the entire data set. So let's say we'll say we've got tools under format, go conditional formatting. Now it says show formatting rules for current selection, which we've got already. Then we add a new format set, and we'll say, all right, let's try it on a 3 color scale, where we want to see the lowest numbers. In this case, we can work off percentiles, and we'll say the 10th percentile, the 50th percentile, and the 90th percentile. That's how we are breaking it, and 3 different colors, possibly something that will stay with the shades of red if we can. And let's say we'll go from very light in this case. I'm just playing around. Something that looks more like a rosé, I suppose, and then to a slightly deeper one, and then to the deepest one, and we say OK, and we click OK again, says applies to B2 to F22, and click OK, and you immediately see it. Of course, it's not the best choice of colors because it's difficult to read. It looks like a nightclub out here, but you get the point. You can now subtly see, all right, these are the ones I immediately know that Pinotage Syrahs have high fruit flavors, as do Zinfandels. So it gives you a quick take on the data very, very quickly. Thank you.